going on, guys? Bonus Eater coming back with a showcase box. Actually, I love this stuff. Some higher end press pass, you could call it. I'm gonna do this backwards. Some of the better players are on top, so what we're going to do is we're going to alright, here we go. Good luck. Alright, starting off with the jersey card for the Colts, numbered 171 to 199, jersey card of Andrew Luck. It is not an auto, but it is a jersey. Andrew Luck. Last time we pulled the Robert Griffin 2-color patch, was really nice. Trust me, if I rigged it, it would have been better than a jersey card. Let's put it that way. Alright, next, I gotta put these behind here. Alright. Numbered 191 of 299 is going to be for the Eagles, which will actually be another random rookie autograph of Nick Foles. I actually pulled quite a few of him in Chad's break. Nick Foles rookie auto. So put that in the random pile. Well, apparently these were all messed up because this is a shorter print card. But anyway, we're going with it. Numbered 7 of 10. I don't know what team this is, so you have to bear with me. Rookie autograph of Stephen Gilmore, or Stephen Gilmore, however you want to pronounce it. That was actually in the middle. Usually the two best cards are on the top. That one's in the middle. Numbered 7 of 10. Stephen Gilmore, so I don't know which team that went for. Next, oh, these are all effed up. Got an end zone autograph, number 95 of 99. That last one was for the Bills. This one is Case Keenum. Case Keenum rookie auto for the end zone there. That's for the Texans. Next, got a rookie autograph numbered 77 of 145 of Marquise Mays. I have no idea. I've never even heard of this guy. Marquise Mays. I don't know where he went. Nice looking autograph though. Alright, next, put one of these decoys in between here. Number 12 of 149, got a rookie autograph of Stephen Hill. Last one for the Steelers. This is Stephen Hill. I think we got one left. This one's going to be a fantasy team. Number 299 fantasy team of LaMichael James. LaMichael James. Last one for the Jets. And this is the LaMichael James fantasy team. Not the best box to showcase, that's for sure. I've had a lot better boxes than that. For the Niners. So, alright, that's it. Coming back with some more box breaks later on. Bum to suit out.